There's a lot of misinformation out there that eating rice is dangerous, which left many people confused. But the truth is that rice can be an incredibly nutritious and healing food. Eating rice offers several health benefits. 1. Strength. Rice is a very good source of carbohydrates, which keep us energized throughout the day for our daily activities and bodily functions. 2. Digestive health. White rice is easy to digest and often recommended for individuals with digestive problems. Brown rice, being a whole grain, provides fiber that helps with digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. 3. Gluten-free. Rice is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for people with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. 4. Nutrient-rich. Rice can offer various nutrients. For example, brown rice contains more fiber, vitamins like B vitamins, and minerals such as magnesium and selenium compared to white rice. 5. Low in fat and cholesterol. Surprisingly, rice, especially when cooked without added fats or oils, is low in fat and cholesterol, which is beneficial for heart health. 6. Satiety and weight management. The fiber content in whole grain rice, like brown rice, can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, potentially aiding in weight management. 7. Blood sugar regulation. Brown rice has a lower glycemic index compared to white rice, meaning it has a slower, more controlled impact on blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for managing diabetes. 8. Antioxidants. Brown and wild rice contain antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating rice into a balanced diet can contribute to overall health and well-being, provided it is consumed in moderation and as part of a varied diet. Rice can be prepared in numerous ways and is relatively inexpensive and widely available, making it an essential food item for many people around the world. If you enjoy this video and find it helpful, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It helps me to keep creating more informative videos like this one. Thank you.